Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You open Swift Playgrounds and create a new blank playground so you can see results immediately. Start by naming the file and enabling live view and the console. This gives instant feedback. Next, declare a simple variable or function to confirm the runtime works, because small tests reduce debugging later. Once done, run the playground and watch the console for output. If it runs, you're ready to add structured code blocks and experiment with simple Swift constructs right away. Now build the core logic, and if needed, a user interface for your playground. Import Swift UI or UIKit to add views, then create a small view struct or view controller so you can preview interactions. Use functions and types, structs for data, classes for reference behavior, and test them immediately with inline results. Make sure to try edge cases and variation inputs to expose issues. Once your logic and UI interact correctly in the live view, you can refactor for clarity and performance without breaking. Finish by cleaning up names, adding comments, and refactoring repeated code so it's easier to maintain. Optimize any slow sections by profiling basic run times and moving heavy work off the main thread with dispatch queue or async tasks. Then save a copy or export the playground if you want to share. If something fails, inspect the console for the error message, comment out recent changes, and reintroduce them one at a time to isolate the issue. This systematic rollback usually reveals the root.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.